Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making broccoli au gratin with mornay sauce. This broccoli side dish brings creamy, comforting, and classy all together. The velvety cheese sauce pairs perfectly with the tender broccoli and is an easy vegetable accompaniment for any meal. This broccoli casserole is so easy to make and tastes restaurant worthy. With this recipe, you can transform a humble vegetable into a show-stopping side. Cheesy mornay sauce, golden breadcrumbs, all bubbling up together in a casserole. This broccoli side dish highlights the best of these simple ingredients. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make broccoli au gratin with mornay sauce. To start this recipe, I'm going to wash and cut into florets 2 heads of broccoli. But you could also use pre-cut frozen broccoli for this recipe. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the broccoli for 5 to 8 minutes or until tender. Then I'm going to drain and set aside. Now for the easy cheese sauce. In a medium sauce pot over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Whisk in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and remove it from the heat. I'm going to gradually whisk in 2 cups of warm milk. Break up any lumps and whisk together until you have a silky smooth bechamel sauce. I'm then going to return this to the heat and whisk occasionally until it starts to bubble. I'm going to keep whisking for 5 minutes while the sauce bubbles and thickens. Now I can remove it from the heat and stir in the flavorings, which is a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And for the cheese, I'm going to stir in a 1/2 cup of grated Swiss cheese and a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Today I'm using Gruyere and of course the classic Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm going to add the cheese in a few additions. Give it a stir until it melts into the sauce. Once the cheese is melted in, you can adjust the salt and pepper to your taste. And the cheesy mornay sauce is ready. And now to bring it all together, I'm going to arrange the broccoli into a casserole dish and pour the sauce over top. Now for the au gratin part of this casserole, I'm going to make a toasted breadcrumb crust. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of breadcrumbs with a 1/4 cup of melted butter. This is going to help the crust crisp up and brown in the oven. Layer this topping evenly on top of the casserole. And the whole thing is ready to go into my 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven and bake uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes or until the crust is golden. This easy side dish is perfect for weeknight dinners or a holiday meal. It has the perfect combination of soft cheese and crumbly toasted topping. This casserole is always a crowd pleaser at our table. It might even disappear faster than the main course. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.